Well, how's everybody doing out there? Hope you're doing okay. We're out here at the southern part of Texas. Another TxDOT assignment. As you can see, we got the road shut off. And of course we got the truck pretty much blocking the whole deal here. We're putting brand new pavement in here. You can see. Now we got a shitload of truck tractors, belly dump trailers. More than likely they're probably filled with hot mix. We're gonna pour them down there. Anyways, they're putting brand new pavement there. They had the miller out there earlier, scraping away all that, about 2 inches of pavement, and putting two inches back of brand new pavement. He gave me some weird word phrase, but that's basically it right here. That's what they have going right now. Yeah, look from the side of the bridge here. But anyway, it's just a small video of what's going on with these projects that TxDOT allows us to work with. And it's not that it's, I would consider it might be considered a simple job. But it really isn't. It's very dangerous. Even though we have the road closed off, somebody can lose control. Someone could not be paying attention and slam right into the truck, killing me and who knows how many more up front there. It's not that simple as it seems. but I enjoy it. Out of my 30-some years of being in law enforcement, I found my calling right here, working with TxDOT. It's enjoyable. It gives me the opportunity to travel all over the state of Texas, get to meet new places where, as a police officer, you're very much noted that you're stuck within the city limits. You're stuck within the city limits, and you got all these reports, all these calls that you took by. Yes, you are doing a service to your community, but I think this is a lot better for me now. Since really, in reality, nobody will hire old guys like I am. I'm an old guy. Most agencies want brand new police officers out of the academy. They don't want old folks like us anymore. But we're fine right here. Look at this. It's nice. I like it. It's relaxing. Hasta la próxima vez. Until next time. See you guys in YouTube. And remember, slow down on the construction zone when workers are present. God bless.